So your blades won't engage. You grab the lever, it's just like it's not doing anything. There's generally one of two reasons why your blades won't engage. Number one, reach right up under here where this cable goes and feel around. Look at there. There's your problem. I'll show you another reason. Another reason, a lot of times people don't clean out all the grass and debris under here. That'll cause your cable to rust up and break, like in this case. And your tensioner can't move freely. So, I'm going to show you how easy it is to replace this cable. I'll also put a link to one down in the description. We're working on an E100 John Deere riding mower. Yours may be different, but I'll put a link to this one down in the description for you. Welcome back to Rayleigh's Small Engines. I'm T-Bone. You guys know we don't mess around. We get right to the point. If you don't mind, go ahead, click that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Maybe give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Let's get this cable put on. So we're going to start right here with the top side. And what we have to do is get this cable out. And right up under here, I'm going to show you what this looks like and what we have to do to get it out. This is our new cable. See those little tabs sticking out right there? We have to mash those down, and you can get up under there with a little pair of needle nose pliers, mash those down, and then pull the cable housing out. So right where this housing is, the old cable, you can see where it goes under here. And there's that spring, and there's a bolt and nut right there that you have to take loose, and then that cable slides off. Now with your lever in the disengaged position, you'll look right here and you'll see the bolt and the cable right over there. And then this spring, John Deere was so nice, they put us a hook so you don't need a spring puller. And pull that down. Look at there, pops right off. All right, so 10 millimeter on a ratchet, and I like using a box end, open end, whatever you got. So I'm gonna reach up here and try to stay out of y'all's way. And we're just gonna loosen this bolt up. Hey, you ever wonder what T-Bone does after hours when he's not working? I'll put a link to our other channel called T-Bone After Hours right down in the description. I should have this bolt off of here by the second Tuesday of next week. All right, let's see, can I get it with my finger? It's gonna come off eventually, just like that. All right, so I'm gonna take some needle nose. You can use straight ones and come straight up from the bottom. This is just what I grabbed out of the toolbox, and I'm gonna mash those a little bit and pop it right out. Now let me show you exactly what I did. All I did was just like this and mashed that down and popped it out. So we have our new cable. You'll notice there's a little groove right here. Slide that up, installed. So now, probably can't see because of my hand. I'm just gonna stick this bolt right up in that hole and put the nut back on. Now, I'll just start that nut back on there. Of course, I can't see what I'm doing. I just kind of feeling my way around. Scrooge it, scrooge it, scrooge it. And we're gonna get her tightened back up with the wrench and ratchet. Rat-attach it. Oh yeah, y'all didn't remind me. Put the doggone spring back on. Hook's right there. We're gonna pull it across. Just like that. Now our next step, we're just gonna follow the cable, the old cable. We're gonna pull this around and go down and work it one step at a time as we go. I have to say thank you to all of our wonderful subscribers. We appreciate all the comments. We appreciate all the thumbs up. Y'all come on down, let's take a look and get this thing finished. All right, so the next place is right here, the little push pin. You can use some cutting pliers, a screwdriver, just whatever you got. It's plastic, so you don't want to break it. Just kind of work it out of the hole like that. Then work it right out of the cable. And let's pull our new one over here. I don't know why they did this where it's right over the oil filter, but that's what they did. That part's done. By the way, I didn't show y'all a minute ago, but go ahead and lower your deck on down to the ground to give you a little more room under there. Now y'all got to lay on the ground. We got to get up under here. Come on down here where you can see. Don't be scared to get dirty. Now, the next thing you're going to find is this little plastic clip here. Just get you a little flat screwdriver. Stick right there. And boom. Done. Pop your cable out. Now let's put the new one in. Push it right up there. And snap. It just snaps right back in with your thumb. Well, don't just stand up there and get down here where you can see what I'm doing. I'm not laying down on the job. This clip right here we need to remove. And now our cable's out. Now, let's don't put the new one in here yet. I'll show you why. We're not done yet. Get down here. So the next thing we need to do is remove this spring. I'm gonna see if I can get you a little better light here so you can see what I'm doing. Hopefully I'm not shining it in your eyes. Get this about the straight angle right there, and this spring should slide out just like that. You'll take your new spring and be sure to go under this belt and this rod. Angle it back over just like that. Wiggle, jiggle, snap. That's all it is to it. All right, let's finish it. Now that you guys are back over here, we're going to take our cable, and you'll notice how this is flat looking, and we'll turn it, and we'll give it a little pull, slip it in there. On this, what we're going to be looking for is putting this hook. You see there's a trench on the bottom and a hole on the top. We're going in just like that, okay? So let's put that on here. And no, I can't see what I'm doing. You just kind of feel your way around and pop. There you are. Well, let's see if it works, folks. Were y'all watching my hand or are you watching under the deck? Look under the deck, you guys. Look at there. Did we fix it? I can't see under there. I'm up top. Woo! Got another one done. Appreciate you guys watching. I'm T-Bone. This is Rayleigh's Small Engines. We get to the point. Please click that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up. Share these videos with your friends. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much for subscribing to this YouTube channel. We love you guys. Can't wait to see you next time. We're going to come up with something good. That's a wrap. That's a wrap, folks. Oh, I'm the only one here. So I was just headed up to the house to get me a refill on my coffee this Saturday morning. This little car pulls down the road and brought me this. I said, who is that from? And then I saw Krispy Kreme, Lawnmower Detective. I think it's donut time. Y'all come, let's see what we got. What have we got here? Sending some sunshine. Look at that. Oh, that's the box I think that the donuts were supposed to be in. I guess this is donuts. Thank you so much, Lawnmower Detective. Hey, y'all go check out his YouTube channel too. Let's see what we got in here. What? It's donut time.